Yes.
Okay. Okay. Hello everyone. From Las Vegas.
One at a time.
Okay.
Tommy
Hello,
Abot, Tommy.
Las Vegas.
Tommy
This is
Abot.
Josie
Tommy Abot.
Kumajao. I'm Ikasas
Larry
now.
here. Kumusta kayong lahat
And
dyan?
I'm Marlene. You know, I know everybody, but I don't know if you know me. But hello to our boss, and we
Hi,
have a good
Carol.
time here in Las Vegas. So we have a blast. Although we're just seven here, but
7 from class of 1977.
yeah, but still we enjoy the food, we enjoy everything, and thanks for Tommy Abot and his wife. We have a good place to eat, and of course Ray. He's really
From
good
Canada.
in taking
From Canada.
picture and doing this video,
Hi,
and to
Carol.
my friends Josie, Christina, and Hector. With thanks to everybody.
Okay, I'm not gonna say anything anymore. I'm Christina. That's only you. You already mentioned our Well, by the way, I'm Christina. By the way, I'm Christina.
Last
Where
time,
I know this? If
third
anybody
year
doesn't know
high.
me,
Yeah.
here I am now, and you know.
See?
Okay, Josie.
Josie.
This is Josie Kumajao. Ikasas, I'm Ikasas now, married for 23 years, 3 kids from SoCal, California. It's June 4, 2011, and we're here in Las Vegas. We're having a good time. See you in Novaliches.
2012, maybe 13.
Maybe 30.
Yeah, hopefully.
Ikaw ang huli. Ako si Hector.
Yeah.
Pinakamabait at row 16. Still remember me. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Kumusta naman dyan ang reunion nyo? About 77
Yeah.
kinare. I'm sure masaya din kayo dyan, katulad namin dito. Na-miss namin ng iba pero magkakaroon din ng panibagong
Next year, we're
reunion.
planning in San Diego.
Gano'ng katagal yung ano yan?
Okay lang.
Bro Alan, marami ring revelations dito kung merong revelation dyan.
Yeah, pinag-usapan
Crush ni
namin
Tommy,
yung lahat.
alam ko lang
Sorry,
sino.
guys.
Kumusta na lang lahat sa inyo dyan sa Philippines? Sana maging masaya rin ang yung reunion.
Yes,
Okay?
exactly.
Yes.
Yung mga class namin nandyan ata. Hindi na namin sasabihin ang pangalan.
Oh my gosh.
And Hector, we would like to thank you for our food last night.
Oh.
We really appreciate that.
Thank
Hector
you.
is a rich man.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Say goodbye, guys.
Okay, bye. See? That's a good time.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's nice.
Thank you.